Ever been tagged in a photo you wish nobody could see? Don't worry, I'll show you how to hide those photos in just a few taps. Let's do this. Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from One Stop Solution. Today I'll walk you through the process of how to hide tag photos on Facebook. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. First grab your phone and open the Facebook app. Simple enough, right? Let's keep moving. Tap your profile picture to go straight to your profile. This is your personal space, so let's clean it up. Scroll down to your photos section and tap on photos. Here where all your tag photos live. Spot the photo you want to hide. Tap it to open. It's time to take control. Tap the three-dot icon in the top right corner of the photo. This menu holds your privacy option. Select Remove Tag to completely untag yourself. A confirmation message will appear. Tap on the Confirm. That's it. No more worrying about unwanted tag photos. Now your profile is as private as you want it to be. So this is how to hide tag photos on Facebook. Thank you for watching One Stop Solution.